What's up, y'all? Welcome back. So I got a new riff for you guys today and a new video. Let's check it out first. It's a Delta blues style riff. A little bit different style though. This is Robert Belfour. Let's watch him play it together, and then I'm going to show you how to play it in a couple different variations. If you stay tuned till the end of the video, I'll throw some tabs up on the screen so you guys can follow along. But let's just watch this video together right now. The crowd goes crazy.
Come on, Bobby!
Okay, so he's in an open tuning right now, guys. It's in open G, and I can tell because that's the root note that I hear him plucking all the time, and I can see him plucking on the what would be the A string, but he's, you know, in open G, so it's tuned down to G. So I'm gonna actually grab my other one in open tuning now. If you stay tuned till the end of this video, I'll show you how to play this riff and everything in standard tuning in a couple different variations. We'll come back to this guitar in a moment, but okay, I got an open G now. Open G looks like this. It goes D, G, D, G, B, D. All right, let's get back into the video. Awesome. Let me stop it here. So he's kind of doing a couple, I think it's like 3 different riffs that he's doing in here. And I've played this song before, but not an open G. So give me a moment to figure it out. So basically the riff goes like this. 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's riff 1. Let me show you riff 2 now. So riff 2 will go and then with the monotonic thumb, we'll go like this, or monotonic bass goes like this. Really slow. Okay, and then he's got kind of one more riff where it starts up real high. Let me figure that one out. The third riff goes like this. It has 2 different phrases, and without the monotonic bass, it sounds like this. That's the first half, and then the second one goes. Okay, and then with the thumb, it's going to be like this. Okay, let's check out more of the video here. That was that third riff. Okay, this sounds like he's going to kind of like a 4 chord here. Let me see if I can figure that out. So, he's going to kind of like the 4 chord in the key of G is going to be C, but he's doing kind of like a C7. How he's doing it over here, it sounds like this. I think he's just going back and forth between kind of this chord. And then he goes back into one of the riffs, back into this one. Kind of like those variations, so go back to those. Let's check out more of his video. there's one more variation. So that's a pretty cool one. Those are common riffs that you see in open G a lot. You hear those types of riffs with the open G a lot, where it's kind of monotonic bass stuff. Let's check out the rest of this video here. Foot tapping, so important. Back to that kind of 4-chord. No, this is kind of like hill country blues, right, guys? Where it's very hypnotic. He's playing the same kind of riffs over and over and over again, and you kind of get this hypnotic feel to it. Like it really gets you, it gets the audience to kind of really internalize that groove, and you can hear the audience going crazy. I mean, they're really liking it. It doesn't sound like there's that many people there, but they are really enjoying this song. This is a really cool one. Not sure what that was. That was kind of a weird spot. Yeah! Sometimes we'll bend that note as well. And when you practice it just like this. You know, just play it over and over and over again for 20 minutes, you know. He's only got a couple minutes left here. We'll just keep watching to see if he does any changes. Yeah. Such a good sense of rhythm there, you know, that thumb is just... If you guys are watching and, you know, playing along, it's good to just kind of practice that monotonic while he's doing it. Of course, change the chord now, but when he goes back, let's play this together. Let's do the monotonic thumb. Just play with him like that. Some of the riffs he's doing kind of at the end there. So it just kind of like, you know, play around with some of those spots. Just play around with some of those spots kind of like that, and you know, have fun with it. Okay, let me show you how you can play this in standard tuning, because I know a lot of you guys don't want to, a lot of you guys don't really want to switch back and forth between tunings, and you might not have a bunch of different guitars. So okay, so he's an open G, right? So the way that if you want to play it in G, it's pretty tricky, but you could do it kind of like this. Will sound like this, basically, you know, monotonic G, thumb of the neck. And then you got these higher riffs that you could kind of do the same thing. Remember, we're following minor pentatonic, so that's the riff. Okay, that's the hardest way to do it, but I'm going to show you an easier way to do it. So the easiest way to do it is play it as an E. So I have this E monotonic bass, and then basically plug in the riff over E. Kind of be like this. That's going to be a lot easier way for you to play it. If you could also play it in the key of A, and then have, you know, basically this is higher in pitch than what he was playing, just by one whole step. So it's a little bit closer to the original, but that would be, the fingering is actually similar. 2, 3, 4. And that's basically it, you know. When you guys are practicing this, just play it in a loop over and over and over again, and do one phrase at a time. Like, just start with, like, let me go back to the key of E, and just kind of play the first riff like over and over again until you get the riff. Then the second and third riff will feel a lot easier because the right hand motions are similar. The left hand, you know, you got to get different chords and stuff, but the right hand feels the same. And just keep doing it. And then maybe try to go into the next riff after that. So this riff is so fun. I had a lot of fun teaching you guys this, and hopefully you got something out of it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.